Alright, so I'm out here at Madison Boulevard in Madison, Alabama, and there, like I said in the Graphics Drive video, there's been a change here. It's nothing too major. The side lights and the front leftmost overhead pair of lights on this cantilever signal have been replaced. The side lights, they're both Safetran 12x24s of differing ages. The pair of side lights, I'm gonna get over here in hopes that y'all get a better view of the back of them. The side lights are some old Safetran 12x24s from Jackson Street in Portland. Not sure how you can see that, but they are the older style. And the front overhead lights that were replaced are some Safetran 12x24s, I believe, from the other pair of 12x24s that were at Church Street in Huntsville. None of the other lights here have changed though. The mast light's still Safetran 12x24s, and there's still 4 pairs of Harman 12x24 inch lights on the overheads of the cantilevers here. But yeah, that's pretty much the only change here. Those 2 lights being replaced, pretty much the only changes here at Madison Boulevard in Madison, Alabama. Not entirely sure why, but I guess because the Harman lights have typically been pretty hard to see when lit up because they are rather old. Over and out.